The BJP has dismissed claims that the centre has introduced a new rule on passports, saying the Ministry of External Affairs has only retaliated an existing legal position. The clarification comes after a debate over the MEA's statement that an Indian passport is primarily a travel document and is not by itself conclusive proof of Indian citizenship. BJP IT Cell Chief Amit Malviya said citizenship is determined under the Citizenship Act 1955 and not by the possession of a passport alone. He argued that this legal position has existed for decades and has also been upheld by courts, including a 2013 Bombay High Court judgment. He further said citizenship is established through a combination of official records such as birth certificates, electoral rolls, school records, land documents, and passports rather than any single document. Malviya also cited the Passport Act 1967, saying it allows the government under certain circumstances to issue a passport or travel document even to a non-citizen. According to him, this itself shows that a passport cannot be treated as final proof of citizenship. The BJP accused the opposition of creating unnecessary controversy over a long-settled legal position.